Welcome back to the channel. What a rough, crazy day today, man. I got caught in the middle of a war. Crosshairs with a customer. I don't know, man. I don't know. You guys out there, mechanics, work at a shop. Alright, I work at a shop, a kind of fairly huge shop. Now, everybody know JT. Everybody know JT, the coolest dude in the shop. He don't mind doing stuff for you. He don't mind helping anybody. He don't mind keeping a secret. He don't mind not snitching. If it's one thing you know about JT, I am not a snitch. Up until I'm about to get blamed for something. Alright, here's what I'm talking about, guys. My buddy, my neighbor, no, the guy, two guys down from me. Y'all, anybody working in the shop got those guys that just leave early all the damn time. I don't know what it is. They work ethic is off the hook. When they there, they're working. So they come in early, do what they need to do. They done by 12, 1, 2 o'clock. They out. I can't do that. Man. I tried it one time. I can't get up there early. I live 5 minutes from the damn job and I can't get there. This ain't about me. Y'all trying to trick me, man. This ain't about me. This is about my neighbors. 2, 3 neighbors down. Alright. Anyway, this is how I got caught in the crosshairs, and I have to remain anonymous. I have to remain a non-snitch. He did a tune-up on a 300, may I want to say Chrysler 300 or Charger. The big LX cars. Hemi. So, you know, 4, 8, 12, 16 spark plugs. Alright, that's a lot of plugs, guys. That's a lot of freaking spark plugs. That's a lot of plugs. There's a lot of sparking going on with the Hemis. Alright, buddy's in a rush. I guess you trying to hurry up and get done so he can get the hell out of Dodge. I don't know. But in the event or during the tune-up process, by the way, guys, I'm saying tune-up, but that is not my definition of the word tune-up. Y'all know how I feel about tune-up. Some people, tune-up means spark plug. That's it. No, that's not it. But I will join the masses. I would join the mass crowd in calling spark plugs a tune-up. For this video only, guys. After this, I'm back to normal, okay? A tune-up is more complex than that. Not just freaking spark plugs. I try to cover that on every so-called tune-up I do. Anyway, listen. Okay, so he did a tune-up. He did it real quick. Matter of fact, he did it super quick. I was like, damn, you do already? Now, this ain't one of the Hemi 1500s where you got to crawl and all that. This is a 300. They fairly easy. Use your, in my case, my nice Milwaukee. My new Milwaukee. Yes, I bought some new Milwaukee, guys. Check out my video right here. Ding, a little plug. All right, go check that video out. Anyway, using your electric air tools or using your electric tools, your electric drills, you can perform that job in a very timely manner. All right, he done it quick. In the event of doing it, guys, I want to suspect one of the spark plugs was dropped, smashed, or something, because it wasn't gapped right. Now, let me switch gears a little bit. For those of you guys that do not think gapping spark plugs is serious, you got another thing coming, man. You got another thing coming. Gapping. Now, I'm not saying gapping from a standpoint where it's 1 or 2 off, you know, little, because it'll make some adjustment. The computer will make some adjustment. The spark and all that sparking fans. But I'm talking about this mug was closed. So either when he took it out and dropped it, and it smashed, or it was like that in the box. Guys, everybody does it. I'm guilty of it. Take it fresh out of the box, go inside your spark plug tube, and brrr, we all guilty. But guys, there is a gap specs to all spark plug. In fact, I got some footage right here. I was doing a Hemi. Yeah, I was doing one. The same car. No, this is an older model Hemi. I did, matter of fact, I ain't even upload the footage yet. I'm gonna snatch some footage out of that video to show y'all what I'm talking about. This particular car, I wanna say, took a certain spark plug and had a gap of 45,000. All right, 45. Now, yes, I whip out my tool on this video and make sure all the plugs was gapped to that. Guys, I am aware of we trying to eyeball, not even eyeball. If we don't see it closed, we fine. Now you can pretty much see if a spark plug gap is open too wide. Like, this don't look the same as the other one. You can use common sense. If that's still a word these days, yes, you can use common sense on that. But guys, I highly recommend you properly gap all your spark plugs, because yes, that gap is very important, guys. The computer, the ignition, secondary ignition system, trying to send out the proper amount of volts, so that spark has it's a long process. But the bottom line is it's very important, guys. So I suggest you do it. Here's an example of me doing it on this particular car. Do I do it on every last one? Absolutely not. But I don't expect you to be perfect. I'm not perfect. None of us are. But I know we're on a time constraint. Everything is time-based. So let's knock it out real quick, but do it right real quick. That's doable, okay? You can still be fast doing a job and at the same time doing it right. If you gotta lose some minutes, seconds, hours on a job by way of doing something, verify, make sure something is done right, so be it, guys. So be it. At the end of the day, it's your image you're trying to protect. All right. I have an image at the job, at the shop. Okay. Yes, JT clown around. JT may be a little late every now and then, but he take his job very serious. And I get called up front all the time to try to better explain something to a customer, or for that matter, answer questions from advisors, because they need a better way to explain it. They would call me up there and put me on the phone to explain somebody else's job. Okay, I'll be like, ma'am, I can only assume you want to do this because of such and such, whatever the case may be. All right, I've gotten to the point where I can technically, it's all about communication, technically explain some of the things we do. And yes, some customers want an explanation on why in the hell you charging them $1,800 to do, I won't say, but some customers want an explanation. I don't blame them, man. I really don't. And you should be able to give a decent explanation, but some of the advisors we have are not technically savvy. And from what I hear, guys, they want you to be as non-technical savvy as possible in some cases. Okay, you gotta keep in mind, a wise old man once told me that if I went on the service lane and became a service writer, I wouldn't make any money, because I make sense and I would be doing stuff right. But at the end of the day, it's about making money. And if I'm doing stuff right and not making the company money, to the company, I'm not an asset to them. I'm not doing them any good. Take your butt back in the back and work on some cars. We'll do the numbers. You is too perfect and honest and talk too damn much. So go in the back and do transmission and engine and write the estimate, and we'll change it after you write it. Because like I say, you too freaking nice. It is what it is, man. Oh, that's the society we live in. I can't knock my employer. I refuse to knock my employer because my boss might be listening. How you doing, boss? We'll be at work tomorrow, bright and early. Yes, guys, so I gotta go, man. All I wanted to do, guys, y'all know I clown a lot, but all I want to do is make sure you understand the importance of gapping spark plugs. I try to make sure you get something out of every single freaking video I upload. No, I'm not just going to be slinging them out there just to be talking about a particular topic. I want to make sure you understand. I just found out I have some students watching too. So, guys, if I'm ever doing a video and I'm talking and my conversation is basic, this video might not be for you. If you're technically advanced, like some of my buddies, Tom Cook, he actually work at a dealer and he can relate to some of the stuff I'm saying, but he may not get nothing out of what I'm saying because he already know this. And like I say, in some cases I would be talking basic because I'm either answering a question for a young guy, an aspiring mechanic. Yes, there's still some people out there aspiring to be automotive service technicians. Mechanic, the word mechanic is going out the window. I don't like that word. We are automotive service technicians. We are important. We are people too. Treat us like people. That's why, guys, we was dubbed essential when COVID-19 came down hard. They're like, we need those mechanics. They gotta keep our cars running. They are essential. Give them a COVID check. What kind of check? Some kind of check. But we did. I don't know. We got some kind of one of those loans that they don't have to pay back, so they just dispersed it through all. Cause times hit hard at the dealer, man. So we was on a guarantee for a while. I remember that. All right, man. I'm still rambling, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.